Today we're going to show you how to remove the back off your handset to replace your battery. On the back of your handset you'll see a round button and a down arrow. That's the direction that you're going to slide the back off. So if you've got a small item, a little bit like a paperclip or a small screwdriver, you're going to insert that into the hole and slide the back of the handset off. Now we've taken the back of the handset off, we're going to get a small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this small ledge. Place it underneath the battery and lift it up. To replace the battery you're going to need a lithium 3-volt battery. Okay, so now we're going to replace the back. So on the back of the actual panel you'll see these two little notches which go into these two places here. So you need to line those up and slide the panel back on.